Here we are testing out the new bowsprit for the Drascombe Dabber. It's looking pretty good. Got the jib forestay tied off to the stem. The sail set up here. Put some type of little dowel here to keep that from sliding back. Side stays. Jib halyard run through one side, gaff halyard through the other. The side stays come down through the U-bolts. The little jib sheet comes outside the stay. Back through the fair lead. There's the cam cleats. There's the new floorboards and the rudders we've been working on for all the spars or rudders, the oars. All the spars and the oars, we sprayed them down with Tilex, so it's going to clean all the mold and mildew off of them and brighten them up just a little bit, and that'll be ready for staying when we get back. It's what we call yard sailing. Here, just rigging it to see if we got things right. We still don't have the hardware to hook up the main, so that's working for today. New transom cap. Old rudder. Tiller we'll be able to use, but not the rudder. Didn't play with the mizzen today because we haven't cut the step in the transom here. So here's the new bumpkin. And that lines up pretty much with where the mizzen is, and then the sheets here comes out, sheets back forward through a fair lead on the mizzen mast down to the little cam cleat that's right there. There's a step in the pinion. His Jack finally found the word for us for the bumpkin. You got the downhaul, trying to look for creases to get rid of. You can raise the gaff, adjust the gaff a little bit, or adjust the downhaul. Not sure if I've got the gaff correctly with the arc on the top side, or if the arc needs to be on the bottom side. But that's how it went up today. Back up a little bit. Here's the mizzen waiting to be put in action. Starboard side. And don't know if we can see up at the top there, but that starboard side swage fitting at the top is flipped over the top of the mast band, so we'll have to put our little piece of line up there to have everything where it stays pointing the right way. This is our 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory with her new bowsprit and her new pumpkin. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Skipper and Capn Jacks supervising. Talk to you later.